Hi guys, Da here from the Messy Palette, of course. I'm going to show you a flip through of my design team project for Rach and Bella Craft. I have used her travel kit. You can find this kit on Etsy. I will link the I'll pop the link in the description box. So I have made a sort of suitcase type. This is made out of an old handbag. Still got the handle on it. Still got the zipper, working zipper in the back. The pocket. We've got some vintage lace. We've got some cotton trim. We've got a little dangle here on a bulb pin with a Swarovski crystal and a check cut glass rondelle. A leather luggage tab with some vintage lace underneath and some red lace. I have kept the magnetic closure of the handbag, the actual clasp. So we've got this beautiful fabric cover, so I've lined it. This is a duck, but it was found at an estate sale, so and it was with a lot of vintage books and stuff, so I would say it was vintage. So I've made a pocket here with a little postcard journaling card, and that's both sides there. It's one signature, so we've got a little bulb pin with the Eiffel Tower. So I've made it like this person has travelled around and collected postcards and saved their tickets and that sort of stuff. So I've got some brads here holding this little plate on, some washi tape, and we've got a little envelope here, and that's got a little journal card and an adventure ticket in there. You can write on those, and I've just used I've taken the legs off a brad and just glued it on there with some layered fabric, an old stamp, and one of the labels from Rach's kit. Got some stamping here, just a collage here and a little ticket, a little crystal gem, and some piano paper on there. So that is the things to pack. So things to pack on this adventure will be an open mind, a sense of adventure, wonder, a pen, breadcrumbs, and sensible shoes. Alrighty, so this one is a double tag. I've just popped this Greek coin up here, Roman coin, a little bit of a collage with some inked and stenciled paper that I made, and some mulberry paper. With a little bit of stenciling in here, an old map, some watercolor paper. I've just popped this one up on some foam tape, some sari fabric, a little tuck spot here with some tea stained paper. Got an old vintage photograph of a couple of kids. Maybe it was the lady's kids that owns this journal. Some tickets and some numbers little tuck spot there. This is just a collage. I've got a corner pocket here. I've got some stamping, journal, life, time, world, travel, it says. I've just used some labels and some of that paper that I made and a little bit of that sari fabric. This is a map of a city, St. Petersburg, just miniaturized, and a little shipping label on there. I've put in some stamps that I found in the back of an old vintage Bible. There was a whole heap of stamps in there the other day. There's some washi tape. This is just a little tag that I've made with some velvet paper and a little fob watch charm, some gold paper, and I've just used a mini clip to hold that in there. Some more tea stained and paper. It's a little tuck spot, and I've got a little crystal hanging off that on the side. Some lace. This was I can't remember who did this one there, but it's a digital lace coffee stained paper. Beautiful picture from one of Rachel's kits, and I've just used Brad to hold that little cluster on there, and there's a pocket on the back of that, and there's a postcard and a perfume label, and you can write on that, and it's just a leaf that maybe she picked up on her travels. This is a tuck spot. Is it a tuck spot? No, it's just glued on there. That's a little chipboard piece from Graphic 45 Cruise. Oh, it's a very old kit, and I just had a sheet of that stuff in there, so I put those in. This is a fabric envelope that I made, and it's a little Eiffel Tower charm and a light bulb, and it's lined with book page. This is a little vintage card that somebody has made and embroidered on, and a couple of tags from that Graphic 45 kit. This was some fabric from a sample book that I was given a long time ago. I've used one of the envelopes here as a pocket. If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. Lewis Carroll. This is one of the labels from Rachel's kit, and I've just glued a bronze key on there. That's from the Graphic 45, and these came in a packet, so I just threw some of those in here. I've got a couple of tickets on the center page, and a little cluster. I've got a postcard and a sightseeing ticket here, and a little tag from the canals in Venice. One of the little labels from Rachel's kit. We've got a corner pocket here with a tag, a tea card. There's a little glass bead there. There's plenty of space to journal on. There's another tag to write on. I've used this postcard and made it into a pocket, and there's two tickets in there. One's a travel ticket and one is, I don't know, just remember this, it says. I've used one of the little fussy cuts from her kit to make a little tuck spot here. And there's a map of one of those old stamps, a Pamper Pass ticket, and there's a little stamp with a suitcase on it. Oh, come out. This is a little envelope with a hot air balloon bronze charm on it, and it's just got some tickets in it. You can write on the backs of all of those tickets. This is a hidden paper clip, so that's a tuck spot you can tuck anything you want into, a letter or a postcard or something either side. Some stenciled graph paper. This is a little pocket that I made, and this is a part of a wooden fan, a bronze key, another one of those vellum travel, and a vintage deck of cards that I got given a long time ago with a ship on it, so that's just a pocket there. I used this tag as a pocket, and there's a postcard in there. It's another one of those vellums. Another hidden paper clip. This one's got a little airplane and a little crystal hanging from it. And again, you can use that as a tuck spot. Just some writing pages here, some washi tape. Postcard, there's a pocket there. That's the end of the signature. There's a large tag there you can write on. There's a pocket here, just with the joy of the journey tag from Graphic 45. That's the wood chip from Graphic 45, and I've just used that as a place to tuck that in, and there is a postcard in there. There's lots of room in there, you can fit heaps of stuff. A little tag, wood chip tag from Graphic 45. That beautiful fabric, isn't it just gorgeous? It's just beautiful. There's some lace. And that's it. The papers are stunning as usual. I've put a little bit of gold here and there throughout the pages. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty fun. So don't throw away your old handbags, turn them into journal covers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.